Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Beyoncé Ivy Park x Adidas Nite Jogger shoes. I've got them right here in this box. This is the packaging that all the trainers in her new drop come in. Very cute. I really like the colours. It's in line with the clothing, so it's the azure colour. This is just how they came in their dust bag wrapped in tissue paper inside. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like now. So this is what the shoe looks like. The colourway is off-white, ecru tint, dark green, and you get the iconic sort of strap on the end. And I actually found out that this is so that you can strap your trainers to your gym bag, which I think is like so smart. I love practical little details like that, and then you've just got the branding on there, so that's quite sick. The shoe is in the classic Nite Jogger silhouette, which actually came onto the scene in the 80s and it's just evolved, and then this is like a unique twist on it for this collection. It has a really cool drawstring detail for your tie-up, which I've actually never seen before. So it looks like this, and then you can sort of tighten up the shoes or release them according to your comfort levels. The end of the laces also has this dipped effect, which gives you like the black tip on the end, and I think that's also a really nice detail. The laces sort of mesh into each other and go all the way around the shoe and into this cord at the back. They have a rubber outsole and then a boost midsole, and they are so freaking cushy. Like if you put these on, they're like the most bouncy, comfy shoes, and they don't feel like your foot's like gonna fall out. It feels structured but super comfortable. You could definitely go for a good run in these. There's something about them that really reminds me of the Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runners. I feel like it's to do with the silhouette and also the colorway, and I really like, those are my favorite Yeezys. If I had to pick a pair of Yeezys that I love, it's those. So this just reminds me of that, and I think that's another reason why I really like this. Also, I've got like super slim ankles, and so I have problems having trainers look really huge on me if I do put them on. But with these, even though they're quite wide in look, when I put them on, they still fit really nicely around my ankles, so I really love that about them. So overall, that's the shoe. I'm going to do some clips of them on so you guys can get a better idea of what they look like on. But I hope you guys have enjoyed that video, and don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.